Welcome to Wizard.com. I am maths teacher Neeta and this is our question. Emily deposited 1000 DHS in a bank on 3rd March 1996 and withdraw on 3rd July 1996. She would earn interest of what amount? We have to find out at simple interest of 9% per annum. So what is given to us is principal value. So let's say the principal P is given as 1000 DHS. So this is the unit for United States Arab money. So 1000 DHS, and the time we have to calculate, that is she withdraw on July. So July is 7th month and deposited in March. So March is 3rd month. So 7 minus 3 is equal to 4 months. So let us convert this month into year. So if we know that 1 year has 12 months, so 4 divided by 12 year. So time will be equal to 1 by 3 year. This is our time. Now rate of interest. Rate of interest, let's say R. It is also given in question as 9% per annum. And what we have to find is simple interest. So we know that simple interest is principal multiplied by its rate of interest multiplied by the time. So principal in is 1000 and rate is 9% and time is 1 by 3 year we have calculated. So if we simplify this, we will get simple interest as 30 DHS. So this is our required answer.